Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect, we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by using this button from the right. So hi again. And now let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Here we have to pick the settings from the right to open the advanced camera options. And here in the general category, at the last position we have the flip selfie. So this is our mirror effect. By using the button from the right, we can turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.